The first step to changing your Cadillac key fob battery is opening the case. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the plastic. Locate the seam on the key fob, usually along the sides or back. Gently insert the tool into the seam and pry the case open. The two halves snap together, so apply steady pressure until it pops open. Be careful not to use excessive force, as this could crack the case. Work on a soft surface to prevent drops and potential damage to the internal electronics. Remember to avoid static electricity, which could damage the fob's circuits. For 2023 plus models, the design is slightly more user-friendly, but the principle remains the same. With the key fob open, you'll see the coin cell battery inside. Note the orientation of the old battery, specifically which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Remove the old battery. The standard battery is a CR2032 with 3 volts and 220 milliamp hours. Some models might use CR2025, but CR2032 is recommended for optimal performance. Insert the new battery with the correct orientation. If you notice corrosion, clean the contacts with a soft cloth. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the key fob to ensure it's working. If you have a newer Cadillac like the 2024 Lyric, you may need to reset the fob via the vehicle's infotainment system for full functionality, especially app-linked features. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure you're using a fresh battery.